Welcome to the day 4 of course full stack web development we using Django and Python. So we are going to introduce here table creation using HTML. So assume this is my table. These are the rows. These are the columns. For example, this is the serial number. This is the student name. This is, for example, contact number, and this is address. Okay, like serial number. So assume this is my table means a group of rows or column. Okay, a table means a group of rows and column. Now this is the column, and this is the column, and this is the rows. So assume we have the table header, that is the th here. Th, we have assume we have table header like serial number, serial student name, contact number, and address. These things are table, these things are in table header. Okay, and your student name, for example, Ravi, contact number, this is table data. Okay, address is Indore. So this is the table data. Everyone is able to understand now. How can create this type of table in STL? It's very simple. We require to use table tag. Remember, okay, we require to use table tag here. Simple. Within the table, what things we need to refer. Okay, we will see this. So here we have seen that table is nothing but table is a group of rows and column. Okay, so how can we declare the table? So we have to write the table here, table tag, starting tag and closing tag. We have to close this. Okay, inside this we have to declare about the table head. So we use here table head. Table head means like serial number, student name, contact number, and address. So when we start, then we have to close it also. Table head. Okay, so inside this table head we have to declare the headings of table. So first is serial number. Okay, first head in column is the serial number. Total 4 entries are there: serial number and student name. You can see here contact number, then a double address. So here we will see. So now table is ready. Okay, now table is ready. In the table header, part is ready. Now just take a simple HTML page, okay, and paste your coding here. Now to make this table more beautiful, you can also write it as inside the body. You can declare the heading. What is this? Okay, this is student information. This is student information. Now see the output, how this output look like. Okay, this is the student information, student number, student name, contact number, address. So now just take and run. Where is the border? Here is nothing, there is no any border. So now we can take the border here by using table border equals to, you can use here either 1 or 2. This is the pixel of border. Okay, so this is the student number, student name, contact number and address. What will happen when you use pixel 2 here and run? You can see the pixel of border is increased. Okay, so when we use 1, it look much better. So what about table header is now ready. Now we need table data. Okay, so for table data or table data we require tr tag. Okay, inside tag we will include the, inside the tr tag we will include the what, table head, we will include the table data. So we require tr table row here, so we have to close also. For closing we use forward slash. Inside tr means table row, we require table data. So table data is, okay, so first is the serial number, so we write 1 and td again. So now we are going to copy and paste this. So first, second is first, and the name is for example Ravi. Contact number is, can take, and the country and the address is Indore. So now you can run this code. So you can run this and see the output. So you can see the one Ravi 98, the contact number and the address. Okay. Up to this, any doubt how to create table? Tell me. Now I am going for a small assignment. Small assignment. Cricket. You have to create Cricket World Cup winner table. Okay, you have to create Cricket World Cup winner table. So you have to write first year, then you have to write winning country name, then you need to write score and runner up team name, the runner up score and result. Okay, I hope you can do this and submit the assignment